Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to change row color in Excel. Changing row colors in Excel is a great way to make your data easier to read. So in the first method you need to highlight the range of the cells of rows like this one, and then go to the home tab and click as the format as table, and here you can see that, and now select any cell that has altering color rows like this one, and you will see a dialog box will pop up asking if your table has header. Check the box if it does and click OK like this one. So if you don't want the data to behave like an official Excel table but want to keep the colors, click anywhere inside the table and then go to the table design tab that appears at the top and click convert to range, and here is the convert to range, like click OK. So in the second method, that is the manual way. For this you need to click on the row number on the far left on the entire row like this one, and you can even select the multiple rows like this one, and then go to the home tab and click the arrow next to the fill color. Click on that and select the color of your choice. Moreover, if you don't want to turn your data into a table but still want altering colors that update automatically even if you delete rows, you can use a formula. For this you need to select the rows or cell you want to format, and then click on the home tab and click on the conditional formatting and click on the new rules. Click on the use a formula to determine which cells to format, and now put the formula here. Put the equal sign, type MOD, open the bracket, type ROW row, open the bracket, close the bracket, comma, type 2, close the bracket, equal sign and 0, and then click on the format, and in the fill tab select the color of your choice, for example this color. Click OK and click OK to proceed, and here it is. So with these way you can easily change row color in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.